Okay, so you are ready to take your graphic organizer and put it into paragraph form. What you're going to do is you're just going to come to every box that you wrote and you're going to copy and paste what you have into a Word document. Now this is important. You're going to do this in your ELA 8 folder, so make sure this is the folder you're in. Only yours will have your name. You're going to click New, Google Docs, and it'll automatically create this document in this folder. We're going to name it, or I'm going to name this one, Hope is a Thing with Feathers. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to paste in what I wrote. And I'm just going to go back. I'm going to get the pieces of evidence and make sure that it continues on the line. Make sure it's not creating extra spaces. Going back. Now, this piece of evidence is explained here, so I'm going to grab this explanation before that second piece of evidence. Okay. See, there's my document. Now I'm going to get the second piece of evidence, paste it in, making sure that I'm starting right on that line. And then I'm going to get that second piece of explanation that explains my second piece of evidence. And then after I fix that, I'm going to grab my summarize and conclude sentence, and I'm going to paste it in there. Now, before you submit this, I highly recommend that you make it all the same font and same size. Fonts I would choose would be Arial or Times New Roman because they're very easy to read. Make sure that you do it in the same size, so everything 12-point font. Now you'll notice some of my document still has bolded words and unbolded words. We're going to go ahead and change that. So highlight all of the text, click bold once, twice, and there you go. Now you are ready to submit your document to Canvas. Like I said, make sure it's in your ELA 8 folder. If you have any questions, feel free to email me or Mrs. Olmstead. Have a good day, guys. Bye.